This week we are learning about letter D, and D makes the sound D, D, D. And our poem for capital D is you make a back, pick up your pencil and make a belly. And then lowercase d is a doorknob, and then a door. So you and your child can choose one of the options to practice letter D. And always, if your child has a different activity that they would rather do instead, I am okay with that. Take the picture, submit it to their dojo, and they will get to color in their chart. So the first option is building letter D with Legos or blocks. They can write letter D in Play-Doh, or if they wanted to build it with Play-Doh, that is fine too. They can form a list of letter D words. So we did this in our classroom a couple weeks ago. We made a letter R poster. So you might tell them that that's what it is. They can make a letter D poster and work together and try to fill the poster up with words that start with letter D. They can finish their handwriting page, or they can do their own activity.